WhatsApp is required. I know that will be hard to achieve, but we are there. But Chair, imagine the Speaker of Senate, the Speaker of the National Assembly, chairing the Parliamentary Service Commission. The Speaker of Senate is nowhere. We are represented by 3 members as against 4. We are minority. We have no power to even do anything. It is unfair.
Chair, finally, I think we are blessed to have a scholar appear before us, because he's really hit the nail on the head. Even the comparison on how you treat an elected senator and the House of Lords, it's a very good comparison. Even something I never thought about, the area where you campaign, and then, every amendment of opposition, Chair, should address the difficulties a country has faced on implementation. The fact that we have a number of cases in court touching on the relationship of National Assembly and Senate is enough food for thought that we need to relook on the relationship of the National Assembly and Senate in a bicameral house. So I think it's a good presentation, very good food for thought, and I hope this committee will take it up.
We shall definitely benefit immensely from your presentation, Professor Ojienda.
Yeah, where is his memo, his memorandum?
I have shared, I just want to remind the Chair that I'm still a member of ODM, a live member. Thank you.
Well, thank you. Don't know other words, but thank you. Thank you very much.
Have you heard the deal in your memo?
And you don't have anything to say about Senate Freedom? Ojienda, as you go, being challenged by Senator Omar Hassan, that what is my personal view about the quest for Senate to be the upper house. Let me tell you, as a matter of principle, I agree with you. Totally. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Excuse you now.
Thank you, bro.
Ojienda, former campaign
which group is this now? Tanzania. Continue, tafadhali. Aya.
Professor, who is very well reasoned.
The Tanzania group.
That's good. Quickly, 1 minute. Just 2 minutes.
Okay. Wacha waingie tu. Sini group moja. Mbona wengine wanatolewa? Okay, the leader, the team leader.
Nani hapa wajuani?